Total for the whole chicken burger is only. What is up, mga papits? So we just went to Costco today again because we want to make a burger, a chicken burger of our own. So we don't want to buy outside because it's kind of it's not that expensive, but it would be cheaper for us to buy. It would be cheaper for us if we are going to buy the ingredients on our own at Costco, and then I will show you how much is it per burger. So it's going to be a crispy chicken burger, and it's gonna be a special one because I'm going to make it. So what did we buy at Costco? We bought this cheese for the burger. It's on discount. It's $8.49 only. So from $10.49 we got a $2 discount. And next is the this is huge. God, it's the burger itself. So this is the chicken burger. It was, how much was that? It was $18.99, and then the discount of $4. It's now $14.99, and it's heavy. Look at it. It's 3 kilograms, and then it has 2 packs, so 1.5 kilograms per pack. So I am going to check later if how many patties are there in one box. It may vary because the way they sell this or the way they pack this is by kilos, but still we are still getting cheaper food because we are making it on our own instead of going outside. So we just opened the box. It has 2 packs. 2 packs. Let's count each pack, then we'll divide it how much per piece. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this pack has 10 pieces. This pack 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's still 10. Why would they just put 10 pieces here? 10 pieces per pack. Okay, so how much is this? So $18.99, but it's $14.99. So let's just say $15. So this is $15 for 2 packs. So each chicken burger patty is around 75 cents. So let's say it's $14.99, then $15, and then 20 pieces of these. So it's only 75 cents each. Then we bought this hamburger buns. It's 8 pieces, and then it was worth $2.97, so $3. And then I'll ask Google, hey Google, 3 divided by 8.
The answer is 0.375.
So each burger bun is 37 or 38 cents because it is 0.375. And then the cheese, so there each pack or each one pack of this cheese is 32 pieces. So, and then it costs we bought it for $8.49 or $8.50. So each each slice would be approximately around 3 cents for one pack. So we are also going to put an egg in our burger. So yesterday we bought this 1 dozen or 12 pieces of eggs yesterday at Shoppers. We bought it around $3.69. So if you are going to divide that per egg is around 30 cents, or let's just say 31 cents per egg, and this is large. So this we got this deal yesterday at Shoppers. So Shoppers so far they are, if you are just going to buy 12 pieces of eggs, by far they are the cheapest that we can buy from if it's in promotion, because this used to be almost $5 per dozen. So this is our chicken burger. Total for the whole chicken burger is only $1.70. So the bun itself is less than $1, the egg, and then look at the chicken burger, the chicken patty. It's so huge. Then we have cheese here, and you know what? I didn't include in the cost the mayonnaise, and then the cooking as well. I mean the electricity, and then the cooking oil. So let's just say approximately everything is $2. So you are just at home spending $2 per chicken burger, and then after you eat you can just slack at your living room, watch TV, and then you'll enjoy your Friday afternoon for just $2. Wow. Yum. The patty itself is so crispy. That was $2, man. $2. And we still have extra eggs over here on that 31 cent egg.